Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
So basically, today's video is gonna be a very quick tutorial, like really quick, y'all, to the point. I'm just gonna show you how I did 2 locks, just so you can understand the concept of how to do the lock. I was looking through my hair closet, because I have a whole closet full of hair, and I found like 2 packs of these. So I was like, let me just do some locks. So this is the Bobbi Boss New Locks African Roots collection, and I got it in the color blue, as you can see. So I'm not like a pro at this, but this is just the way that I did it and how it came out for me. So if you guys are interested in achieving this look, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so basically I've pretty much finished all of my head. So now I'm just gonna show you guys with like the last 2 locks that I have. I twisted my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. You could also do a braid, but I wanted them like a little bit on the chunkier side, so I just did some twists. I didn't part them evenly. I pretty much parted everything with my finger because I just wanted to look more natural and free. So this is the hair that I used, Bobbi Boss New Locks, and I used the color blue. So they come in like these crochet locks, which there's a loop in the middle. So basically what I do is I get a comb, a rat-tailed comb, and I literally just push it through the crochet loop and then just separate the hair like that. This is what I have, a whole 36-inch. I'll show you 2 different ways. I'm not a pro at this. This is only the second time I did this. So you can put a little portion of the hair connected with your hair, and then you start wrapping. You can hold it tight, you can hold it loose. It really just depends on what you want to do. For me, I just want a quick hairstyle, so I'm not going too crazy with this. But yeah, you want to wrap it in a circular motion, not like a twist. You don't want to do a twist. You just want to wrap it. And make sure you're holding the twist, like your hair, in one spot. Like, don't rotate your hair. Make sure only the locks are being rotated, because then it's gonna turn into a twist and it's gonna unravel. Alright, so at this point you can leave the curl. Like, if you want curled ends, you can leave the curl and then literally just like wrap the locks back up and just leave your little curl hanging. But I'm gonna tuck my curls away because I do want it to have like a thick end, so it looks kind of like a real lock. See, this is where the lock ends right now, and this is my curled hair. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna wrap my hair around the lock going back up. After I do that, I'm gonna take the rest of the lock and I'm just gonna wrap it around, going back up. I'm gonna kind of like separate the end of this. I'm gonna wrap it till I don't have any more left, as you can see. And then, ow, ow. And then you're just gonna roll it with your finger. I mean, with your palm. Hit it with a nice little palm roll. Ta-da! Is that like a lock? Now I'm gonna show you guys the other way that you can do it. Do the same thing where you separate the hair. I'm gonna take it, instead of doing this, I'm gonna loop it through my twist, like so. Have a little piece coming out. And then I'm gonna wrap. It's pretty much the same. Wow. Let's say you wanted for the locks to be shorter, you can just like bend your hair. If you have like longer hair. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I leave my hair out, like how to do that. So I'm basically gonna wrap it to like right there. So a little piece of my hair is out. And then I'm gonna wrap the rest of the lock back upwards. And then palm roll. And that's pretty much it. Obviously it would look better if the lock was black, but I'm not pressed, honestly. If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair up, like how you saw it in the beginning, then stay tuned. So I got this hair tie. Okay, you guys, so you can pretty much leave it like this. I left like a few down just to give it like a airy kind of look. So yeah, you can pretty much just leave it like this, or if you have like little seashells or little hair accessories, you can add them. Or in my case, I'm just gonna add the gold. Pretty much just kind of do it like that. Alright, so this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're able to do this hairstyle, send me pictures, let me see. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.